How to clear cache of the Signal app on your Android device. So first open settings on your phone, then after a few moments your screen should look something like this. Here you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in apps. Then tap on the first option that shows up, then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. After you tap on manage apps, you'll see all the apps that you've downloaded on your phone, but simply tap on the search bar at the top once more and type in Signal. After you tap on the Signal app, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen: force stop, uninstall and clear data. Simply tap on clear data, which is located on the bottom right corner. After you tap on it, you'll see two options called clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on the second option called clear cache, then tap OK to confirm your decision. And that's it. These are some simple few steps you can follow to clear cache. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.